Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's tutorial I will be guiding you guys on how to download Discord on multiple platforms. But before I move on, I just want to let you guys know that I make tutorials, videos regarding to Discord, on tips and tricks on how to use Discord, to how to make a server and how to get it active and so on. So if you're interested in tips and tricks regarding to Discord, then make sure you subscribe below and leave a like to this video, as this helps a lot to me. Anyways, so let's move on. I will be explaining for the Windows right now because I'm having Windows. I don't really have Mac. So I'll explain the Mac in a bit later. There's no big difference between them. So in order to download Discord, the very first step you need to do is go to the Discord website. So it will be www.discord.com, and then you're going to see this page here. So once you enter the page, of the main page of Discord, you're going to see the download button here, which is pretty simple. You have to click and download it. Now, when you click on the download, you will see a folder down here being downloaded, and according to your internet speed, it's going to take a while. For me, it just took a few seconds because I'm having good internet. So once it's done, you just click out here on the folder, and it's going to start installing it on your desktop, whether you're having Mac or Windows, and it's going to download files, and it's going to say it's installing and so on. So we have to wait. There we go. And once it's installed, it's going to run the Discord app in your desktop. So once it's downloaded, you're going to see the login page. And if you want to create an account and then log in, then I have created a video regarding to that, a very simple short video. I will link it in the description below and above here at the video. So make sure to check it out. And this is basically how you download Discord. Now, if you want to download for the Mac, you have to do the same thing. You have to take the same step. To download the desktop app for Mac, you have to first head over to the download page, which is www.discord.com. And then you click the download button, and after that it's going to open the discord.dmg because you guys are Mac. And once it's downloaded, all you have to do is drag the Discord logo and drop it over to the applications folder, and that's all. And if you are looking on how to download or install it on your phone, then it's pretty simple. Whether you are using iPhone or some Android, all you have to do is go to your app, Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and search in Discord, and you'll find the same logo, and you can download it, and there you go, you have downloaded Discord. So this was a very short tutorial of today, even though it's almost everyone knows it on how to download. I just thought I should show you guys on how to download it. I don't really have to, but anyways, just for you guys. So if you guys enjoy, there's nothing to enjoy here though. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give a like below and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming Discord tutorials and tips and tricks, which I'm going to bring a lot in the future. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day.